Bro, are you really gonna eat my phalanges? You're gonna eat my phalanges? You're gonna eat my shirt? That much is true. You're gonna try to eat my shirt. You're trying to eat my phalanges, and as soon as I turn the camera on, it's I didn't see nothing, Hoss. Man. Come on, dude. I thought you were turning state's witness on this. Come on. Oh, that. Yeah. That's the payback, right? You can't get at me. You're behind bars. You're gonna catch another charge, bro. You're gonna catch another charge. He's like, yeah, I'll just lick myself. You charge that.